In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Trello cards quickly and efficiently. Whether you're tidying up your boards or simply trying to stay organized, knowing how to manage your tasks effectively on Trello is essential. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Trello website. Open your preferred web browser and type in Trello.com in the address bar. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with the familiar Trello login page. You can choose your login method, whether it's using an email and password or your Google account. It's quick, secure, and gets you into your workspace effortlessly. After logging in, you'll want to head over to the specific Trello board where you wish to delete cards. Upon locating your board, click to open it. Now, to find the card you want to delete, go to the board's menu on the right-hand side. This menu is essentially your control center for managing your board. Once you're ready to delete a card, hover over it and look for the pencil icon that appears in the top right corner of the card. Clicking on this icon offers you several options. From here, click on Archive. This is an important step because, in Trello, you can't directly delete a card. You first need to archive it, which is like a preliminary step before permanent deletion. In cases where you encounter a list you wish to archive, instead of just a single card, you'll need to click on the ellipsis, those three little dots, at the top of the list. From the drop-down menu, just select Archive this list. This ensures that you're keeping your workspace clean and decluttered from unnecessary items. Now, you might be wondering how to view these archived items. It's simple. Again, look for the ellipsis at the board level and select Archived Items. This section enables you to browse through everything you've archived, giving you the flexibility to either restore or delete them permanently. When you're in the Archived section, you can seamlessly switch between viewing archived lists or cards. This functionality is crucial for large boards with many items, allowing you to filter through what you might wish to restore or permanently delete. To delete, look to the right side of the archived card or list and find the trash bin icon. Clicking this icon will prompt you to confirm the deletion. It's a straightforward step, but be sure before you proceed, as deleted items in Trello are not retrievable. Select Delete once you're certain, and just like that, you've removed the clutter from your Trello board. By following these steps, you can maintain an organized, efficient workspace and make sure that your Trello boards reflect only the most pertinent tasks. Thanks for watching.